and today I'm here with another squishy package. So I ordered this off Banggood, and I'm not going to show the other side because like my details are on it. But yeah, so let's just get opening. Okay, so this is what I got, and it's just this chicken baby by Squishyfun. The packaging did come a little crinkled, and the squishy's a little squished, but that's totally fine. And the packaging is super cute. I mean, look at that. There's like these little hearts in the front, and it just says Squishyfun here. And here's the back. It says chicken baby, some Japanese warning, and then there's the English translation. Here it says do not eat here, and here's just the licensing, Squishyfun. And it says size 10 centimeters, love 10 centimeters, slow rising / scented for 5 years plus. And yeah, and let's give it a squish. Oh my gosh, it is so soft. Oh my gosh, it's so rising. I just don't like how they put the tag right in the front of the squishy and stuff. Like, bro. Wow, that is super surprising. So yeah, I just took this out of packaging. So this is what the packaging looks like. Super cute, and there's like a chicken on the front, but it sort of looks like a meme, but yeah. And here's the back. So yeah, super cute. Oh my gosh, guys, this legit feels like a turtle marshmallow. Like just hold it.
Like just hold it.
I can feel how soft and sterilizing it is. But yeah, like just a little squish. Anyways, unfortunately it couldn't rise all the way because it was like squished in the packaging and shipping and stuff. So I'm sorry that you guys can't see it when it's really cute and perfectly risen, but I'm excited for this squish. Very cute, squishy. It is so soft and slow rising, my bae, right here. Oh my gosh. It is so cute and so rising, and like the little beak sticks out, which is super cute because you can just squish it. Whoa, it's so slow rising for such a small squishy bit. But here's like the hair bit. But yeah, the weird thing is that it's got like gray eyebrows and like it's a baby chicken. Doesn't make sense, but yeah. And here's the tail bit. I'll give it a oh. Why is it so squishy? And then here's like the little feet bit, which is so cute. And here's the bottom. It's a very, very squishy. I definitely recommend buying this, guys. Go get this from Banggood. It is so soft, like Squishyfun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely go check out Banggood, and it's so cute. I definitely recommend buying this squishy. So yeah, bye! I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and bye! Oops, I haven't finished recording.